In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix game not joining issue on Roblox. Now, this issue might be affecting you if you have an age restriction. Maybe you haven't confirmed your age, but if you don't have any issue with your account, then all you need to do is to troubleshoot your Roblox account for you to be able to fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to fix this problem, you need to go ahead and find your account on Roblox. And once you have found it, go ahead and long press on it and choose App Info. From App Info, go ahead and tap on Clear Data here, or if you go to Storage, you should see this data use on your app. One of the reasons for this problem is because of cache data or a lot of data collected on your app that is causing malfunction. And one of these is cache problem. And we don't talk of cache. These are just small files that your app normally collects to enhance user experience. But the problem is when they accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. Now, to clear your cache data, go ahead and tap on Clear Data down here and then choose the second option, Clear Cache, and OK. Then restart your smartphone and then open your Roblox app, and this should have fixed your problem. If this problem still persists, you might want to go ahead and find out if you are using an outdated version of Roblox on your Google Play Store or App Store, and then update it to the latest version to get the best experience with Roblox. But should you still experience any challenge, you might want to uninstall this app and install it afresh. And now when you go back to your app, this issue related to game not joining will have been fixed. So that's how you can do it on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.